What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Sorry I haven't posted a video in a few weeks. I went home to Florida to visit some friends and family, so I was gone and just didn't really have time the past week to get on the bike and make a video. But here we are. Decided to go out to the mountains and just go for a cruise out in the Twisties. Went up to Julian up in California. Got some pine. That shit's banging. Yeah, I'm riding with my buddy. Actually, he just bought a new bike. I don't know where they went. But guess we'll find them somewhere. Anyway, sorry about that. Yeah, riding with my buddy. He actually just bought a new bike. He's actually kind of new to riding too. He just got that bike 1-2 months ago. He's still learning. So we take him out to the Twisties and get him familiar with how to turn, stuff like that. But yeah, my buddy at the very front, he just bought a Honda. Oh man, I don't even know. It's like some adventure bike. I'll get up to it and tell you what it is, but he apparently loves it. It's 1100 cc's. It's pretty quick actually. He keeps up with me. I'm on a 636 2018, so yeah, not bad. The MT-07 is a little slow, but I mean, he keeps up perfectly fine too whenever we're on a straightaway. We'll try to get him to get a little bit better on the curves. But I guess just ride at your own comfort level, you know what I mean? Also, I'm still testing out this these mic settings and stuff like that, so I'm just trying to dial it in because I have a loud exhaust. I don't, you know, I'm just trying to get it to where my voice is clear to hear over the exhaust, but you can still hear the bike, so I apologize if it's not the best quality yet, but we'll get to it eventually. So yeah, I got off work super early today. Was with my my buddies, and we decided to just go for a quick ride out into Julian up in the mountains. I know I probably said that earlier, but just covering what we're doing today. Yeah, this bike though, it honestly, it loves the curves. I mean, it's a sport bike. What sport bike doesn't really love the curves? You know, I know they all have their own personality, if you will, but at the end of the day, they're all pretty much made for this. Yeah, the views out here are pretty awesome though, you know, because I live around the San Diego area, so, you know, it's pretty city life, but you come out here and you just kind of can get away. It's only like an hour drive. I only got jeans on today, so I don't want to be dragging knee. That's my bare minimum outfit when I go riding. Jeans and my motorcycle jacket. I don't want to, you know, screw my skin up any. I actually made a mistake coming here around one of these turns. I went too wide, and you know, lessons learned. You know, what doesn't kill you makes you stronger and smarter. He's doing better though. I told him, you know, he tries to keep his body straight up and down when he's going into curves, which means his bike is just leaning way too far over. So I try to tell him body position, you know, it really matters. So you can see him kind of like leaning into the curves now, and he's definitely doing a lot better than he was. I by no means am a professional rider, but I've been riding for quite a few years now. I'd say 6. So over time you learn a little bit of techniques, safe riding, stuff like that. God, I love corners on this thing. I got the, I believe it's the Pirelli Diablo V3 or something 3, and that is my new favorite tire. I don't think I'll ever get a different tire. Maybe like the next version, but yeah, I love this thing. Kind of yeah, the bike my buddy's riding, that thing is kind of crazy. It's got a huge ass screen. It's like a car screen in that thing. It's got all kinds of cool little gadgets, buttons. I mean, the thing's got more buttons than my car does. Like, dead serious. It's ridiculous. I hate seeing sand like that in the road. So yeah, I got this ECU flash, and my god, the lower RPMs just pull so much harder now. I love it. And for the record, I know my shifting isn't, you know, track ready, but you know, I'm just out here having a good time. I try to keep the bike as quiet as possible on straightaways, and then, you know, I'll get it up in the power around corners. So just clarifying that, because I already know I'm not shifting the best way possible. I'm going to pass it now. So anyway, this is my buddy who just got that bike. I mean, hell, he's only had it for 6 hours now, not even. We're doing the break-in miles now. That's why we wanted to go for a longer ride than usual. Sucks I got work tomorrow. Shit, I'd say we go out even further. When I got the rest of the weekend after tomorrow, we'll have a good time. Hopefully this car will get out of our way. Sometimes they're nice and move over, so we don't have to pass them, but you know how it goes. Sometimes it snows, and it's super pretty because it's not like a heavy snow. It's just a thin white layer, and all this green is white. And I do photography. If you guys want to check out my photography, it's a one up photo, same as my YouTube channel name. Yeah, I love doing street photos, and I got some of this place whenever it's snowing. Pretty nice. I'm still not extremely familiar with these roads. I mean, I've been out here probably anywhere between 10 to 15 times. I don't keep track, but you know, I like to map out. You know, like I like to know what corner's next. It just makes me feel more comfortable. I know, you know, what speed to enter, stuff like that. So in some areas, you might see me just take a corner extremely slow. It's because I'm just not comfortable, and I don't ride out of my comfort zone. You know. There's no point in getting hurt, just enjoy the ride. I love this corner too, because you can see right through it. It's not a blind corner or anything. See how good I hit it. Got a little low, Could have done a little bit better if I didn't have somebody in front of me, but hey, you know. With this bike though, you know, after I got it tuned, the on and off throttle, oh my god, it made the world of difference. Like, you would just get thrown back and forth when you let go of the throttle. Now it's just like, there's just no added power, but you kind of just coast. Like, the engine braking was kind of eased back too, which was, honestly, I didn't know if I'd like it or not, but I wound up liking it. Oh, I missed that gear. look at that screen. I don't know if you guys can see it, but the thing's massive. Pretty nice views out here. For anybody wondering what, here's that sharp turn I was telling you about. It comes up quick. Imagine not being familiar with this road. You hit that, there's another one right after it, so I'll get back to what I was saying after I hit it. So for anybody that's wondering what route we took today in this video, we're in Southern California. We took on the way up to Julian, which is where we got some Julian pie. We took the Sunrise Highway. That's going to be the first part of this clip. And then on the way back, we just took the road from Julian out to the highway. I don't really know what road this is called, to be completely honest with you, but the only other one that's not Sunrise Highway. After I did get this bike tuned though, I will say I was surprised on how much I did rely on engine braking. I would say close to 50% of me stopping was on my engine, so I guess you just don't realize it till it's gone, huh? Let me know what you guys think about that bike though. I'll get a good side profile shot here. If you want to see more of it on the channel, I mean, it is a brand new, it's 2021. I can definitely get it up on the channel more often. Obviously, this is the first time we have it on the channel because it's the first time we had it, but yeah, we can, you know, maybe make a build series out of it. Obviously, it's his bike, but, you know, maybe we can collab about something and see what we can do. Just let me know what you guys want to see. Also, when he wants to go buy that bike yesterday, I went with him, and I couldn't stop looking at that 2021 Zx6r. The thing looked like a beast. 203 horsepower stock. I mean, think about it. I mean, that's probably what to the crank. I don't know where they measure that to, but I mean, still exhaust, intake, tune. I mean, God knows what you could do with that. Obviously, it's a new bike. It's going to take a minute for companies to start coming out with the aftermarket products. But if there's one thing I hate about any kind of motorcycle when you buy it new, it's those stock exhausts. I mean, they're just butt ugly. I don't think I've ever seen one that looked even remotely close to cool, or it just goes with the bike. Like, yeah, that's the first thing that goes. That and the fender. Fender delete's always the first thing for me. This is like my favorite part of this mountain too, and there's people here. Sucks. Well guys, if you enjoyed today's video, please leave me a like and subscribe, and leave some comments down below. Let me know what you want to see in future videos.